Hi friends, today I'm going to talk on a very important topic in data migration. So recently I got an opportunity to migrate data from legacy system to Oracle Field Service. It's related to not available slot. So legacy system allows full day off and partial day off. But Oracle Field Service doesn't allow partial day off. We have a API work schedule. So full day off is straightforward. We can use API and we can mark it as a full day off. Let me show you in Postman. So here you can see we can select record type is non-working and work schedule is there. So by using this API, we can create a non-working day, full day off. Second is partial day off. So there is no straightforward way to implement partial day off in Oracle Field Service. So we have created a internal task. We created an internal task as not available. And for partial day off, suppose he is off between 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. So we have created internal task between 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. When we create internal task, we have to take care routing because routing can change its time slot, can optimize. We have to also take care the order change. It should not get ordered. If new task is assigned, it should not go here and there on the time view. So it should be strict between 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. So we have to populate a communicated window and we have to add some flag so that routing will not optimize it. So by this way, we can import partial day of in Oracle Field Service. So most of the time, what will happen when you will ask for data from legacy system, then that sheet or suppose you have got the data in CSV, that data will have a number of duplicate entry. So you have to clean the CSV before importing it in Oracle Field Service, because if you call the full day of API multiple times, it will create multiple work schedule. So you have to make sure that these are the entries are unique, not duplicate. Same way you have to take care the past date. Oracle Field Service will not allow any work schedule or internal task in past date. So you have to clean the CSV file, whatever you have received from customer. Take don't have work shift. There is a possibility that technician don't have a work shift allocated. So Oracle Field Service will not allow to create partial day of internal task. So you have to ask your customer or business to add work shift for all the technicians before starting the data migration task. Next is technician is not active. There is chances that technician is still not active in Oracle Field Service and you have started data migration. Then it will not allow to create the partial day off. Full day off is allowed, but partial day off, it will not allow to create any internal task for inactive task, inactive technicians. Next point is take backup of shift. So your business or customer will add shift for all the technicians. So you have to take the backup of shift before starting the data migration, because if there would be any problem and you have to roll back, then you would not be able to roll back if you have not taken the backup of the shift of all the technicians. So this step is very important to take the backup. Next point is delete shift scenario. So there is a chance that data is not migrated properly. So you have to delete the shift. This is related to full day off. So when you import for full day off, you add a proper comment so that you would be able to identify your imported shift work schedules and you would be able to delete it. If you will not add proper comment, then you would not be able to delete the imported shift, because the customer has also added the shift for technician and it will create a confusion. So add proper comment so that you can easily identify and delete your shift if it is not properly imported. The next point is take backup of activities. When you will create a internal task for partial day off, store the activity ID in a Excel sheet or in a CSV, so that if there would be any problem, you can simply delete those activities from environment. Next point is suppose shift is not added to a technician. The customer has not added, but you have to import partial day off. So before adding the partial day off, you can assign a custom shift to technician, then create an internal task for that technician in that time of period, and then delete that shift. So it is like creating the shift, add your task, then again delete the created shift. By this way, you can import even without work shift. So these are important points to consider when you are doing data migration for not available slot. Thank you. And if you have any doubt, please comment me.